Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes, fix Xbox app login error code Windows 11, 10. First method is click Start, Settings, click Apps and Features. Type Xbox in the app list. Click Advanced Options. Click Repair, if same error still exists click Reset. Second method is right-click Start button, click Run, type WSreset. Third method is type Notepad in Windows search bar, click Notepad. Copy set of command from description and paste it. Save the file name as .bat. Right-click Run as administrator. Fourth method is type PowerShell in Windows search bar, right-click Run as administrator. Copy command from description and paste it. Type PowerShell in Windows search bar, right-click Run as administrator. Copy command from description and paste it. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.